For the school lunch box, I'm preparing a South Indian special which is loved by my whole family, and that's Puliogare. I start by heating enough oil in a kadai and add the tadka with mustard seeds, curry leaves, crushed garlic and red chilies. Then goes in the ready-made Puliogare powder, 2 tablespoons for each cup of cooked rice. Turn off the heat and mix well. To keep it a little moist, I add a little hot water and cook it well by turning on the heat again. Once the oil separates, add the cooked rice and mix well to combine with the masala mix. Since the rice is room temperature, I will place it on low heat until it turns hot. Once hot, I will then garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Packed this for my elder son's school lunch along with cucumber and dry fruits.